Gathered at the San Luis Potosí Convention Center, the members of the Board of Directors of Alianza 4.0 launched an invitation to all the companies present to join our supplier platform, with the objective of analyzing the offer and supplying their needs, through this collaborative platform based on 5 main initiatives such as education, operation of committees, technological levers, and the implementation of the 4.0 level in the industry.
Nosotros tenemos unas estrategias internas, las cuales son de interés común con el resto de las empresas, y estamos participando en algunos comités donde tratamos de desarrollar de manera conjunta, utilizando la experiencia y las estrategias de otras empresas para llegar al objetivo de las nuestras.
Likewise, a cordial invitation was extended to the directors to instruct their respective representatives, in a precise manner, that Alianza 4.0 is a collaboration platform, which is subject to the individual efforts of each of the associated companies belonging to the Alianza 4.0 committees.
La Alianza 4.0 es una plataforma de colaboración. Con la Alianza tenemos más contactos con las otras empresas de San Luis Potosí en la zona industrial y podemos colaborar más directo y más eficiente.
During the meeting, members were reminded that by being part of Alianza 4.0, they enjoy various benefits such as digital technological assessment, offered by Siemens for Alianza 4.0 member plants. Also, it is agreed to continue with various projects, among which stand out additive manufacturing supply, the approach to major technology supply companies through synergies, the development of technicians and data engineers, and cybersecurity.
La plataforma de colaboración es importantísima. En este momento no podemos generar impacto solos, más bien en equipo, y trabajando en equipo es como vamos a lograr.
Continuing with the theme of education, we are very proud to announce that we are entering the second phase of this process, in which we are providing certifications with specialists in various areas which will impact more than 250 teachers and 11,100 students. In this context, the importance of training and education was emphasized, and the need for support from the Academy in this area was mentioned. It was proposed the integration of expert researchers, members of different academies in the committees of their specialization, in order to enrich knowledge and training. In another important topic, 2 dual system models were presented as a result of the committee's work, and news was shared that a pilot will be run.
Para nosotros lo más importante es la conexión entre nuestra empresa y las universidades para fomentar nuestros nuevos ingenieros.
The importance of teamwork was also highlighted, and it was commented that in a project there are phases such as storming, forming, and pre-forming that help to redefine the objectives of the cluster members.
Tuvimos una discusión muy constructiva, cómo enfocarnos, cómo repartir las funciones, por eso soy muy satisfecho con el resultado de hoy.
Bueno, creo que estas reuniones de consejo siempre son buenas para asegurarnos que estamos avanzando en el camino adecuado, que se están siguiendo los objetivos de la alianza, y bueno, también es un momento para replantearnos si tenemos que cambiar algunos objetivos, cambiar un poco de rumbo, y creo que siempre es importante para mantenernos todos enfocados.
Finally, a commitment was made to continue with the periodic individual meetings between the director of Alianza 4.0, Fernando Ibarra, and the other members of the board of directors, to continue setting objectives and working together on ongoing projects. Alianza 4.0, Mexico, for digital transformation.